welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm really excited for this tutorial today. I'm gonna try to keep it short and sweet because I have a very impatient little toddler right here who I have been playing with all morning, but I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do a tutorial and I'm gonna do it today. And so she's got a movie right now, so I'm hoping that I can hurry up and get it done. Say hi. Can you say hi?
Hi.
I got the Anastasia Riviera palette, which I'm super excited for because I don't have anything like this. Oh, there goes the brush. I don't have anything like this in my collection, and it's beautiful. And me personally, I know everybody has their own opinion on, you know, the Anastasia palettes. Everybody has had different experiences with them, but I love every palette that I have. I have the Modern Renaissance, I have the Subculture Norvina, I have the Soft Glam, I have the Sultry palette, and I love them all. I've never had a problem with them. There is like fallout and there's a lot of kick up in some of the colors, but that doesn't really bother me as long as the eyeshadow performs well, blends well, and the staying power and the wearability of it is good. Then some kick up and fallout doesn't bother me. So this is my first time. I haven't swatched it. I have not touched it. I don't really know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna kind of look at it and see what I'm inspired to do. But I'm really loving like this pink and purple. Like, oh my gosh, those are just so pretty. So maybe I'll do like a pink and purple with some seaside and Mediterranean on the lid. But I think first and foremost, oh, I did prime my eyes already and I used matte Painterly Paint Pot. That's usually my go-to primer or concealer. But today I used the MAC Painterly Paint Pot because as I've played and worked with the Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes, Anastasia eyeshadows perform really well with that as a base. So that's what I used today. But I'm gonna jump in and I'm gonna use Estate, this one right here, and that's the first shadow I'm gonna dip into, and I'm just gonna lay that down as kind of like a crease shade and just to get like a wash of color in my lid. Now I'm just gonna go for it. I think I'm gonna dip into Monte Carlo right here, and I'm just gonna use the same crease brush, which is the Morphe 504. You know what, my hair is gonna bug me, so I better get it out of the way. You know what, just to be on the safe side, I haven't had any fallout yet because my base and everything is already done. I'm gonna put a little bit of a shadow shield under my eye, just in case. Okay, so continuing on, I'm gonna dip back into Monte Carlo. I'm also gonna take a pencil brush and go ahead and work those two shadows that I already put down, and I'm gonna work them into my lower lash line. Now I'm gonna grab a little bit smaller brush. This is the Morphe M433. I'm going for it. I'm gonna dip into this super bright pink called the Bahamas. Oh my gosh. I love it. I am loving this eyeshadow. Holy moly. Oh my gosh. I am loving this pink. It's so pretty. And what I did is I didn't start on the outer part of my eye because I want to go in with this purple. So I just kind of followed the socket of my eye up here, and that's where I placed that pink shadow. Oh my gosh. So far, I'm liking this color. Okay, so I'm going to dip into the Bahamas with my pencil brush, and I'm going to drag it along. I'm gonna grab another M433, but this is a clean one, and I'm gonna dip into Cannes, which is this purple shade right here. I'm gonna dip into that, and that's what I'm gonna focus. So there is some fallout, like you just gotta tap your brush off, and there is some kick up in the palette, you see, but like I said, that doesn't really bother me as long as the performance of the shadow, the wearability, as long as that is on point, then I'm okay with fallout, I'm okay with kick up, like that does not bother me at all. So this I'm gonna concentrate out here on the outer portion of my eye. I think this eyeshadow palette is creating a new person in me. I'm feeling some kind of way, like I am just looking at myself, and I wasn't sure if I was gonna feel uncomfortable looking at myself in the mirror with these colors on my eyes, but so far I am loving them. So we're gonna continue on buffing Cannes into my crease. The same pencil brush, and I'm gonna get some of that purple Cannes, and that I'm just gonna focus right here on the outer portion of my eye. Okay, so I do have some fallout right here from the purple, but that's okay. I put a shadow shield. So far, the shadows are performing well for me. They're blending out really nicely, and I'm liking this vibe that I'm going with. So I'm gonna clean up my lid a little bit so that I can make space, and I think I'm gonna go in, I'm not sure if I'm gonna go in with Mediterranean. Let me see. Ooh, that's pretty. Or Seaside. Ooh, I don't know. So I don't know which one I'm gonna use. One has more of like a lilac silvery shift to it, and this one is definitely like a, I don't know, like a baby blue color. So I don't know. We'll see which one I use on my lid, but first I'm gonna clean up my lid a little bit. So I'm gonna use some of this L'Oreal Infallible More Than Concealer. I'm just gonna get a little bit right here. And then I'm gonna dip my brush in there and just clean up my lid a little. And then sometimes I'll go with like a fluffy brush and use that to kind of like blend out the edges of the concealer. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with that same shader brush. I think I'm gonna go with Seaside. I'm gonna go in and pack some on with my finger because I like to use my finger anyway with shimmer shades. Sorry my lighting is wonky throughout the video. I try to use natural lighting and film right here in front of my double windows in my room because that's where I have my vanity facing, because I like to use natural light to get ready. But weather has been crazy here in El Paso, Texas, and so fighting with some cloud cover today. It's like overcast. It wants to be overcast, but it wants to be sunny. It wants to be windy, and it wants to rain all at once. All right, I'm gonna grab that brush and dip into Seaside. And I'm first like pressing it on my lid and then like moving it with pressing motions where I want it. And then I did go in with my finger, so I'm gonna also pat some more color on with my finger. And then to highlight my brow bone, dip into Sails right here. And I'm gonna use that and just pop it right under my brow bone. Whoa, that is white. I might have grabbed too much of that. That's okay because fingers are your best blending tools, so I'm just gonna use my finger to soften that up. I think I'm gonna use this to highlight my inner corner also. And then I'll just go in with my pinky and soften it up. All right, you guys, I'm gonna dust away this shadow shield and then I'm gonna pop on some mascara and I'll be back with my final thoughts. All right, you guys, so I'm back. I finished up the rest of my makeup. I went ahead and all I had to do was throw on highlighter, and I used the Amrezy highlight by Anastasia. I'm obsessed with this highlighter. It is so beautiful. So if you can get your hands on it, I really highly recommend it. I've used it on all different types of skin tones. I have one for myself, which my client Yvette bought me, and then I went ahead, once I saw that they were still available, I went ahead and ordered another one so that I could have in my freelance kit because it is just a beautiful highlight. But anyway, and then on my lip, I actually went ahead and did my lip before I even started the video just because I didn't want to look crazy and washed out for my intro. So I actually used Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Crush. I think I probably could have pulled off a little bit more of a pinky lip, but I wasn't sure what kind of look I was going to create, so I thought, oh, like a nudie pink will work out just in case. But yeah, I think I could definitely add something a little more pink with this eye look. But I am obsessed. I also threw on some eyelashes because I just felt like this eyeshadow look was a little extra, and so I felt like it needed a little extra, and whenever I want some extra, I just throw on some lashes. I actually used the red Aspen lashes in the style Miss, which are like my favorite go-to all the time eyelash. I have several other favorites, but the Miss is just the one I reach for all the time. But yeah, so this is the finished look. I'm obsessed. What do you guys think? Do I look crazy with color? I mean, I thought I was gonna feel uncomfortable looking at myself in the mirror with pink and purple on my eyes, but I actually like it. I'm looking at myself even a little up close, and I like it. I really, really like it, and I'm so happy that I took the leap and I bought this palette. It's absolutely beautiful. There was fallout, there was kick up in the pan, but I liked the way the shadows performed. It didn't really take me any time at all to create this look. Everything blended well together. I also haven't noticed any fallout from the shimmer since I've been wearing it on my eyes. I'll even look a little closer with my mirror. Yeah, I haven't noticed any like glitter or pigment fall from it. It's wearing pretty well. It's not, I don't know if that's because like I pressed it with my finger or I used a pressing motion with the eyeshadow brush. I had fun stepping out of my comfort zone today and playing with some color. I'm excited. I'm definitely gonna do some more looks with this palette. Like this shade right here, Seashells. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to just get this all over my lid. Look how pretty that is. So yeah, I'm excited to use that. And this, oh my gosh, an all pink color with this on the lid. Whoa, I'm excited. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna play a little bit more with this palette. I'm so happy that I got it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below if you're gonna pick up this eyeshadow palette. Let me know in the comments down below any color combinations you want me to play with. That would be fun. Also, let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? Should I keep experimenting and dip into the colored eyeshadow world a little more? I like it. I feel super glam and super, I don't know, like I just really like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a beautiful and blessed day wherever you are watching this from. Know that I am truly grateful for you watching this video in the first place. God bless your heart that you made it through to the end and my outro. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. God bless you and see you next time.